For a second. Okay, go ahead.
Hi, this is Chizu. I'm here with First Press Hayward, and we're here at the Tiny Homes ribbon cutting event. And so we're standing in one of the units right now, and we're really excited to get started with the event, have folks come in and get in their homes.
How does it feel to have this actually happening, and how long has this project been in the works?
Yeah, it feels a little surreal, to be honest. We've been on this journey for over 2 years trying to figure out how to get this done, how to get through all the different permitting processes and stuff. And so, yeah, we're super excited, and I can't believe this day is finally here.
How many of these tiny homes are there?
There are 6 units here, right in the parking lot of First Press.
And is this the actual day where the tenants will be moving in?
Some of the tenants will be moving in today. So we have 4 tenants that are ready to go. They'll be receiving their keys today and starting that process of moving in.
And I heard from Pastor Jake, there's one of the tenants works for Kaiser, another one works for DMV. Explain to me and our viewers the criteria for the tenants.
So the criteria for the tenants is that they would make a minimum of $1,200 a month. They would they would have a local preference, that they're literally homeless, and then that they pass a background check. So we got almost 50 applications, and we went through in order of received, and so a lot of the people that are going to be living here have jobs and work and are a part of our community and our everyday lives.
And can you speak a little bit about the background check?
So we have a preschool here on our campus, as I'm sure a lot of people know. I have 2 kids there, and so we wanted to make sure that this was going to be extra safe for those kids. And so they're going through the full screening that the teachers at the preschool go through.
And what are some are there security features happening here at the tiny homes for the neighborhood?
So we have security, or we have a privacy fence. There's going to be cameras here, and then also, because we have some other services here at the church, there is security here that walks around the campus as well.
What's been the feedback from the neighbors on the project?
It's been mixed, to be honest. There's some people that are really excited about it. Some people, I think, just don't understand who the people that will be staying here are. I think there's always some concern around things that are unknown, and we just want people to know that the folks that are here are amazing people. They're people that are a part of our community that you might not even realize are homeless. So, yeah.
And the ribbon cutting starts at 9?
9 a.m. There's still time.
Everyone's invited. Come on down.
Come on down. Donuts and coffee.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm going to do a little walkthrough if that's okay. Thank you. So here we are again. We're at the tiny homes, and they're going to do a ribbon cutting today. We did a live tour of this before, so you've got your restroom here. And your full shower. Here's your dining area, kitchen. You got a microwave, you got a stove. There's your sink, seating area. Hi. Here's another one. We can take a walk in here. So it looks like, there's people with looks like they went all out and staged this place. Here's your sink. Again. Give you a better view of all this here.
I'm okay. Hi.
Here we are at the first one. Again, these are totally nice. There's another view of this one. And there's sewage, there's power. These things got everything, folks. So if you're viewing and you've got time to come down here, they're doing the ribbon cutting at 9 a.m. and I think they're doing walkthrough tours. They might let folks give a First hand look in here. Here's this one again. So these folks have everything they need. There's a basket of goodies here. There's your blanket, towels. These things are nice, folks. And First Pres is stepping up, helping some homeless in the community. Here it is. Come on down. They've got donuts. They've got coffee. They've got juice. 9 a.m. You still got time to come down here. They're going to be doing an official ribbon cutting. We've got all the TV news. We've got lots of local officials. We got Pastor Jake over here. And here they are. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in.